Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Squarespace website public. When you first create a Squarespace site, it's typically set to private or password protected during the free 14-day trial. To fully launch your site and allow everyone to see it, you'll need to change its availability. This ensures your content is discoverable by potential visitors and search engines. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to your website's dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Settings. Within the Settings panel, you'll find an option called Site Availability. This section shows your site's current visibility status, which is usually private or password protected during the building phase. To make your site public, you must upgrade from the free trial to a paid Squarespace plan. Squarespace offers several plans, such as Basic, Core, Plus, and Advanced, with prices starting from approximately $16 per month when billed annually. Upgrading ensures your site has the necessary hosting and features to be fully live. You can typically find the upgrade option in your billing settings. Once your site is on a paid plan, revisit the Site Availability section within your settings. Here, you will see the option to change your site status. Select Public to make your website accessible to everyone. Remember to click Save to confirm this change. Your Squarespace website will then be live and discoverable by the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.